Hello farmers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you practical ways on how to start up an irrigation farming. Now, there will be a lot of questions going through your mind right now. Irrigation farming is a type of agricultural business which is lucrative and profitable in Nigeria. Not only in Nigeria, but all over the world. To run a successful irrigation farming, there are some steps that you can take. Number one is to know the nitty-gritty about the farm. I mean the full information concerning the farm. You will agree with me that in any country, food availability is depending on the amount of food that is present in that particular country. So we are now trying to find ways on how we could start up something that will give us more profit. I mean, irrigation farming is a dry season farming, not a rainy season farming, because during that dry season, there are just few plants that you can plant during that dry season. So irrigation is one of them. Also, irrigation is also a process whereby you supply water to your plant. So I'll be giving you some guidelines if you are thinking on how to start up an irrigation farming. Number one is proper planning. Like we all know, proper planning prevents poor performance. In any business, you must take your business very serious. You must plan. You must make a good business plan before you can start any business. But in that area, that is when you will know the amount of money that you are going to spend in that particular farm. So proper planning is very, very important. Then number two is land preparation for the irrigation farming. Land preparation, you can prepare your land during this dry season, like I've said earlier, because irrigation farming is a dry season farming. You can prepare your land during this dry season by clearing the bush or burning the bush before you could start preparing your irrigation farming. Why number three is cultivation of the plant. Like irrigation farming has to do with different type of crops. It can be rice, it can be pepper, it can be tomato. But in this particular video, I'm just showing you irrigation farming concerning pepper. So you need to cultivate your land. After getting the land, clear the bush, then you cultivate it. In this area, you need an expert to explain on how you could cultivate your plant for you, because those Hausa men know all about it. They're not people who is the Hausa people. They are the one that will cultivate the land very well for you if you are thinking on how to start up an irrigation farming. Why number four is harvesting of the irrigation pepper. Like I said earlier, this video is all about pepper. So an irrigation farming is not a type of farming that will take a very long period of time. If you cultivate the land now and you plant your crops these months that we are right now, then before March you could start harvesting your pepper and start selling them by that time. So it's not something that will take a very long period of time. Now kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop our new videos. Kindly like our videos and share.